All right, into this video, we're going to be diving into the campaign builder of Keap. And this scenario is where there are multiple touch points in a nurture sequence. And this is a combination of emails, ringless voicemails, and text messages. Now, this campaign is using a bunch of different services. We're using Fix Your Funnel for the ringless voicemails, which is using an outbound webhook. We're using Keap's email for the email side, and we're using Sales Message to trigger a text message to go out again by a webhook. What we want to figure out is which one of these touch points is converting to a booked call. So let's take a look at the sequence that we have here. So they're coming into this follow-up sequence, and they're basically just running with timers here, and they're going across, and then you'll see there's the webhook for a text message, and then an email and text message, and so forth as you go down. Now, this sequence is fairly long. It's 15 days. It's 18 different touch points in that. Now, how do we achieve this? Well, we are using a custom field. And we have a custom field that we're calling conversion action or conversion. Let's just take a look what the name was, conversion touch point. So we created that, and we are using the set value field in here. And we've come up with a naming convention for each one of the touch points. So in this case, it's WooSender, which we're modeling after a WooSender type of nurture, and we're calling it PATP and touch 1. And then as we go down sequentially, it'd be touch 2, touch 3, touch 4, and so forth, right up to touch 18. So what's going to happen here is the moment these are triggered, it is going to overwrite and put that value in the field. And then the timer is going to wait, and the next one is going to overwrite it again and update and so forth as we go through, with the end goal of being them booking that call. So what will happen here is, let's say they come down and they get this text message here, right? They're going to get it. It's going to immediately update that field to this, and they book the call. It'll pull them out, which means that the 8th touch point is not going to fire, and therefore sequentially that field is not going to update to 8. That leaves a legacy value in that field. So you can then pull up a list of all your booked calls and look at that field value and see which one was the last touch point before the conversion action. So that is how we are reporting upon this in systems that don't necessarily always give us the best reporting when it comes to conversion points of outgoing systems, text messages, all that kind of stuff. Now, if you're using emails, you could essentially, if your booking system does catch UTM parameters, you could put those on the links in there. But I find this is a clean way to just utilize a custom field within Keap to get that type of reporting. Also, we do have opt-out tags that apply when people opt out, or in the text messaging, our team actually applies a tag to stop all automation. That is also an end goal here. So we can actually pull up a list of all those opt-out tags and all those stop tags, and then go back and look and see, is there some kind of trend happening where, touch 6 is getting a lot of opt-outs. Well, what is it about that? Is there too many touch points in a short period of time? Is it something that's said in there that's out of context that is causing people to opt out or ask to be removed? So this function here has multiple purposes. And if you have any questions about this, about how I have this set up, please go ahead and comment below the video. I will reply to that comment and I'll answer those questions for you. So if you like this content, please do me a solid, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and look forward to producing more videos for you.